Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So last time we discussed what? The title of the book. Now, obviously, we have a title. Usually, even this is not the same book. But for example, you have here a title. Yeah, it's all. And normally, what happens? They write the bigger title. The main title is in big. The smaller title at the bottom, and they have this afterwards. So we have here ta'leef. Under the book, you see what? Ta'leef. Under the main heading, you see ta'leef. What's ta'leef mean? Compilation and writing. How do you read this? Ta'leef. Fa, fi, fu. Why fu? Use the default. So because the default, you say what? Ta'leefu. Which means what? This book is a compilation of who? Then the author. So this is so Qisas an-Nabiyyeen lil-Atfal li-ta'leem al-lughat al-Arabiyya wal-asalib al-Qur'aniyya. This book is a ta'leefu of this person. That's why Abi is in what? Majroor state. Do you understand? It's a compilation of this person. Do you understand? Okay? Do you understand? So ta'leef is a compilation of this person. Now what's his name? His name is this much. Ali. That's his name. Okay? But what can happen? You have something called a kunya. Okay, we'll explain that later on. And then this is basically additions to his name to expand. If you say, for example, what's your name? Abdullah. Abdullah who? It's not enough. You need more information. How many Abdullahs in Madrasa? How many Abdullahs in, if you forget Madrasa, in this class? Abdullahs in this class, Abdullahs in Madrasa, Abdullahs in your city, in your street. So you need a bit more detail. So sometimes what happens, you add words onto it before it. So let's analyze this first word. Abi is really from abun. Abun means what? Father. Plural of abun is aba. Now obviously you have one father, but when the word aba is used, it usually has the meaning of four fathers. So abun is father and aba is four fathers. Okay? Now this thing, when you have something before a name or after a name which says son of or father of, this is called in Arabic kunya. What's it called? Kunyatun, and the plural is kunan. Again, another little point. A lot of people say kunniya. That's wrong. It's not kunniya, it's kunya. Okay? What is it? Kunya. So for example, my name is Hashim and my kunya, I can have two kunya. Because my father, so I'm the father of Abdullah. Normally you get the eldest son. So I'm Abu Abdullah, that's one kunya. And also other kunya is Ibn Ismail. My father's name is Ismail, so that's also a kunya. Depending on what's more famous or whichever one you can use. Now this is obviously, you don't need to remember this. Remember kunya, just use the word kunya. But obviously it's good to know. So the English equivalent, you don't have to remember this, it's really complicated. It can get difficult. But if you remember, it's good if you just want to do research later on. If it's you use the father of somebody, it's called a technonym. If it's the son of somebody, you call it a patronym. Okay? This for note. But the main thing is called it, what's it called in Arabic? Kunya. Just remember that much, kunya. Okay? And it can either be the name of the father of somebody, or son of somebody. Okay? So that's why he was the father of Hassan. I'm not sure if he had a son called Hassan or one of his nephews called Hassan. So he called Abul Hassan. Okay? So his kunya is what? Abul Hassan. And why is this majroor? This is majroor because of the mudhaf alayh of ta'leef. So the compilation of Abul Hassan. Okay? And then you have Ali. His name is Ali. And then another name is Hassani. Because Hassan, he's from the lineage of Hassan radiyallahu anhu, the Sayyid. So it's Hassani. Okay? Do you understand? And an-Nadawi. So he studied in a university in India, Darul Uloom in India called Nadwa. Nadwatul Ulama, correct. So Nadwa. So if you want to say something, for example, you are obviously English British is a bit like breaking the rule. But for example, you're from Britain, so you're called British. Okay? You're born in India, so you're called Indian. I'm born in Barbados, I'm Barbadian. Obviously we're here now, so British. But I'm just give you examples. So when you want to do that America, American. So the American, British, this is called Nisba. What's it called? We'll do all these rules in detail. I'm just going through it briefly because this is not we don't want to expand on this too much. We don't understand the book. But we'll do this later on. So what happens, you add a ya. You add a ya to the word. Okay? And there's some other rules you do later on, which is, so you don't say nadawati. But what happens in the end of all of those rules becomes what? An-Nadawi. So the ya means, for example, Makki, Meccan. Madani, meaning from Medina. Okay? Al-Leicesteri, from Leicester. Obviously that's nothing. Okay? So this is the author. What is this? So what happens? Qisas an-Nabiyyeen, stories of the Prophet for children, etc. And this book is a compilation of Abul Hassan, Ali, Al-Hassani, and Nadawi. And Abul Hassan is a kunya. His real name is Ali, and you have two attributes to understand more detail about him. An-Nadawi. Okay, Al-Hasani and Nadawi. Okay, so we can do this book inshallah. Yeah? So you know who the name of the book properly and who the author is. Correct? And then we're going to understand, next lesson we'll discuss very briefly. It's not very, obviously, it's good to have a rough idea about the book, why he wrote the book, when he wrote the book, and then after we start the real book. And that's where we can properly start the Arabic practice inshallah. Okay? You understand this? Yeah? Okay, bas. Subhanallah bihamdi subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.